All right, now we are still on cable numbering and tagging. Okay, like I said before, this numbering and tagging of terminal, that is the process. Now, because of this now, termination process of this is the same sequence with what we have in our schematic. So I've decided to change our drawing. Take a look at this. Let me see if I can reduce it. All right, if you can see this clearly, take a look at this. I have changed the numbering. This software does not have the global standard numbering. So I have to use my hand to edit the numbering. So take a look at this. This is my breaker. When you buy the breaker single pole, it's going to bear terminal 1 and terminal 2. The input is 1, the output is 2. Then overload block. I told you about overload block. If you buy the overload, this terminal is going to be there. Let me show you if I can move this way. As you buy this, the overload, the terminal number of the contact is going to be 9596. 9596 is the close terminal. Then whenever I see the stop button, I showed you the 3D, it's going to be a terminal 1, terminal 2. That is for close contact. If you are using open contact, it's going to be terminal 3 and terminal 4. So this one is our voltage monitor terminal. This one does not have a specific terminal depending on the product. If you buy ABB or Schneider or Siemens or Schenck, most of them will have different number, but you don't need to memorize this protection relays number. Just buy them, then check their terminal number. Whatever thing you discover, then use that one to make your design. Use that number to put in your schematic. Then the one you must maintain is the global standard type. That is the one I have changed. Like this start button, anywhere, whichever product you are using, whether you're using Schenck, Telemechanic, and ABB or Schneider, whenever you see them, you're going to bear this number. Terminal 3 and terminal 4 is normally open for twist for the switch of start switch. Then the normally close of the contactor auxiliary contact is 21, 22. Then contactor input terminal is going to be A1, A2. Any contactor at all, any product. So you must maintain these terminal numberings. Okay. So this one I use for interlocking. This one I use for interlocking. Let me see if I can show you. Take a look at this. Take a look at this. When you buy this contactor, it's going to have these two auxiliary embedded in them in some cases. Some of them we have defaultly contactor must come with normally open, this 1314. The number is 1314 globally. Some of them does not come with normally close. So you have to buy and they attach to the body. But if you are opportune to get the one that has the two, better for you. So you must have this, but this one must be embedded. So some cases you will come with this. If it doesn't come, you buy. Now, these two terminal, this one we use this for interlock, then we use this one for a retainer. So take the two and reflect in your control. So let me show you, like here, before I make a connection here, you must come here and interlock it. Before you power this, you interlock from here. Before you power this, you interlock from here. Before you power this one, you come and interlock from here. That is the interlock. Then the overload I told you about. When you buy this overload, it must come with these two. Defaultly, it must come with these two. It must come with these two contact complete. So this 95, 96 is the one that we have used for this. Is the one that we have used for this close. Look at 95 and 96. So this one is the one that we have used for uh, this one. Then this one was the one we used for fourth lamp, 97, 98. So memorize these numbers, right? Okay, let's go back to our 3D